Welcome to this moment of reflection and tranquility. Today, let's take a gentle journey into the practice of mindfulness, a simple yet powerful tool that can transform the way we experience life. In our fast-paced world, filled with constant noise and distractions, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Stress can creep in, clouding our thoughts and stealing our peace. But what if I told you that within you lies the ability to find calm, to cultivate clarity amidst the chaos? Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment. It invites us to pause, to breathe, and to observe our thoughts without judgment. When we embrace mindfulness, we unlock a path to a clearer mind and a more peaceful heart. Imagine sitting quietly, focusing on your breath. Inhale deeply. Feel the cool air fill your lungs. Hold it for just a moment. And now exhale slowly, letting go of any tension. With each breath, you anchor yourself to the present, allowing the noise of the past and future to fade away. When we practice mindfulness, we create space in our minds, space for clarity to emerge. We begin to notice our thoughts as they come and go, like clouds drifting across the sky. This awareness allows us to step back, to observe our feelings, and to understand them without getting lost in them. As stress begins to dissolve, our focus sharpens. We become more attuned to the beauty around us, the vibrant colors of nature, the warmth of sunlight, the sounds of life. Each moment becomes a gift, an opportunity to experience the richness of our existence. Mindfulness doesn't just help us find calm in our chaotic lives. It also enhances our ability to engage with the world. We learn to listen more deeply, to respond with intention, and to connect more genuinely with ourselves and others. Consider this: with just a few moments of mindfulness each day, we can build a foundation of peace that supports us through life's challenges. It's as simple as taking a few deep breaths, practicing gratitude, or even enjoying a quiet cup of tea. So, I invite you to embrace mindfulness. Start small. Take a moment to check in with yourself. Ask, how do I feel right now? Let your breath guide you, and remember, there's no right or wrong way to practice. Just be. As you begin to integrate mindfulness into your life, you'll find a profound sense of clarity. Stress will lose its grip, and you'll discover a deeper appreciation for the present moment. You'll feel invigorated, as if the weight of the world has lifted, allowing you to navigate life with grace and purpose. Remember, this journey towards mindfulness is your own. Embrace it gently and allow yourself to flourish. Thank you for joining me today. May you carry this sense of calm and clarity with you as you step into your day.